I'm Liana Lowenstein, child and family therapist in Toronto, Canada, and I have Evangeline Munns, Dr. Evangeline Munns, here with me today. Evangeline is a psychologist who specializes in theraplay and non-directive play therapy. I'm so pleased to welcome you today.
Thank you.
And you're going to talk about and demonstrate a technique called mirroring. So what can you tell us about the technique?
Okay, so mirroring is a wonderful technique to get two people to be sensitive to each other and attuned to each other. And I think also what happens is that there's a connection, an awareness between two people. And so I often use it when there's a lot of conflict between parent and child, or even between two siblings or two peers, and even in couple therapy, because I've done a little bit of that. And each person is the leader, so they each take a turn being the leader. It doesn't require any equipment. It's very effective. And so even if you've got very, very high conflict where there is distance and rejection, usually in mirroring, you're bringing them together, following each other, being attuned to each other. It's great.
Okay, so let's do that demonstration.
Right. So I'll start out. I'll be the leader, and you'll follow me. But in mirroring, you do it exactly at the same time as I do, which means you really have to be in tune with me. Mm-hmm. I have to be in tune with you too, because if I go too fast, you won't mirror me, you'll just imitate me.
Okay.
So we both have to be in tune with each other.
Okay.
Okay, so here we go. All right. And we don't touch. That's really good. It's very nice. That's good. I have to be in tune with you to make sure that I don't go too fast, or you'll lose me. That's it.
Oh, that was really neat.
Now your turn.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
Cool.
Right. So now, did you feel that you were really being sensitive and in tune with me?
Yeah,
And
yeah.
I with you?
Yeah, and it felt, I felt the connection.
Yes.
And it was also fun.
Yes.
I felt the playfulness of it.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
And so because each person takes a turn, it's not like, some kids that are really in a power struggle, they don't worry about it because they know that they're going to have a turn.
Mm-hmm.
And so, yeah. Now, here's a way of not doing it right. Let's try it again, and this is not the way to do it.
Okay.
Because this is just, okay, so you're going to follow me again, okay?
Okay. Yeah, hard to follow.
Hard to follow. So
Right.
you're imitating me, but you're not mirroring me.
Right.
That's not the way to do
Right.
it.
Okay.
But we did it right the first time.
Great.
Yeah.
Now, so if a therapist is going to use this, how might they facilitate? What would they say anything while, let's say, parent and child are mirroring? Or
Yeah.
what
Yeah,
would they-
you know what? Like I was reinforcing you, and I was saying, that's great.
Yes,
That's great.
the praise.
As a psychologist, if the psychologist is having a between parent and child, then I'd be reinforcing that.
Mhm.
And if there was trouble, then I'd say, you know what, Mom, try it with me.
Mhm.
And then, or with a child, and then have them two together, if the two of them were not really doing it
So you
right.
would role play first.
Yeah, that's one way of doing it,
Maybe
yes.
help the parent gain a little confidence.
Yeah,
And
right.
then try it with the child.
yeah. Mhm.
Okay. Okay. Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. And what do you think are the therapeutic goals?
Well, the therapeutic goals is, like I said before, for two people to be more attuned to each other, basically, and to be sensitive to the cues, and to go with the flow,
Mhm.
and to be connected.
Mhm.
That's really good. Those are really goals.
So a wonderful technique to use with parents and children especially.
Yes.
To enhance that relationship.
Yes.
But I could also see this really having wonderful value in couples therapy with siblings. So
Absolutely.
really something that you can use
Yeah.
in so many different ways.
Yeah, and in fact, I have done it sometimes if there's more than one person,
Mhm.
and maybe even three people, and you could still do the mirroring, and I'll concentrate on the middle person, and it's a little I haven't worked it often that way, but theoretically you could do it with the whole family, theoretically.
Neat.
Yeah.
Okay, well, wonderful. Thank you, Evangeline, for
You're
sharing this
welcome.
wonderful work. You're really just such a leader in the field.
Well.
You taught me play therapy when I was starting out, and so your work is something that I truly respect and admire, and really appreciate you coming today.
Thank you,
sharing.
my dear. That's very kind of you. Thank you. A leader in the field as well.
Thank you.